Hello, I'm in a 2013 BMW 550i, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone to the vehicle Bluetooth. So first you're going to make sure vehicle is on, which currently it is, and then here from these controls, from menu, and I'm scrolling with this, and then this could be how you enter, and this is your back button if you click on something on accident. So I'll scroll to telephone, pushing enter, and then from here, Bluetooth devices, and then click again to add new, and then from your phone, make sure your Bluetooth icon's blue and you've got it open, and we're pairing a new device, and then follow the directions there to see if something like this pops up. Hit the pair. Yes, you'll have to confirm on both ends. So yes, that matches, and then yes, it's okay, and that's it. It should be all connected, so here in a moment you can listen to music, take phone calls, all that sort of thing. And it's even confirming here if you want to listen to music or just take calls. That's all fine. Okay, but that's it. I hope this is helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.